Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the one and only Karina Garcia'S pre-made slimes. She came out with 4 pre-made slime kits and I'm so excited because I have one right here in front of me and I'm excited to feel them, and this has been so long awaited. I've been knowing about this for so long, and to see it finally in here and in Target, I'm so excited. So if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so you won't miss another video like this. Let's try to get this video to 500 likes. I know we can do it. So these slime kits were supposed to be released April 22nd, but I actually found these at my Target, like I think it was like 4 days before they were released. So I wasn't even expecting them to find them at Target, but I did find them. So I decided to pick up one of them, and I picked up the Slimy Soda because she's been saying that that's her favorite pack, and I'm really excited. So these do come with 4 in each pack, and the pack retails for $12.99, and that's honestly a good price because some Slimers put their slimes for over $15, and that's so expensive, and honestly her little pre-made slimes are worth it. This next one is Orange Soda, and honestly you guys, I've been seeing this one so much on Karina's like Instagram, and she's been loving this one, so I'm expecting high standards for this one. So when I opened it, the smell hit me right in my face, and it's super nice and one. Many people love strong scents, and if you do, then this is the slime for you. It's honestly super strong, super stretchy, so vibrant. I really love these, you guys. They're super stretchy and fun to play with. If you want a slime like on the go and a variety, I suggest getting these packs. So this next one is actually called Grape Soda, and it's a purple slime, and it smells exactly, you guys, like a grape soda, and it's so amazing. It's like the other slime that's super stretchy, it's super like thick, it's super nice, it's super glossy because it's a clear base slime. I honestly love all of these. They smell super nice. I don't know how they do it. It's still super clear and still super like stretchy, and it smells so good. Honestly, this was probably one of my favorites out of the whole pack. This one and the Orange Soda. So this yellow slime is called Lemon Lime Soda, and it looks yellow. It's so yellow and it looks super clear, and I'm honestly obsessed with it. They all do come with the aluminum top, and so it can be protected and it won't spill when it's like traveling across the world. And it's honestly super professionally packaged. These containers are better than Uline containers, and they're super nice. They're super tightly sealed, and the smells exactly like lemon lime soda. It smells like a freshly opened 7-Up. The texture of this is super thick. I really love how thick it is and super stretchy. It's not like other slimes. Like, you know how when you go to Target and you say, like, you go to the like slime section, let's say that. It's not like that. It's like, you know how some people advertise their putties as slime and it's super hard? Well, this is not it. It's super nice because it's super stretchy, super pokeable, and super nice. I honestly love this. It's basically like a homemade slime, you know? So this last one is cherry cola, and surprisingly guys, I don't like the actual drink cherry cola, but this one smells so good. It's super thick and shiny. I really loved how it smells. It's so clear when you stretch it, and honestly the color is spot on. Oh my god you guys, I don't have words for this one. This is so nice. I really love this one. Honestly, all these slimes from this pack, from the Slimy Soda pack, are so good. I'm so excited to get the rest of the packs and also the slime bundles and the squishy kit. I'm so excited to buy all her things. I'm like really like in shock because these slimes were so good. If you guys want to see another video on the rest of the packs, then comment down below and try to get this video to 500 likes so you guys can like let me know if you want to see another video like this. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.